Alright, so I've just installed a new clutch cable on this bike, and I don't know the condition of this clutch, so I'm going to go ahead and do a base adjustment on here. To do that, I'm going to loosen the lock nut. Gonna thread this in until we feel a slight resistance, okay? Right there, I feel a little resistance. I'm going to back it off a quarter turn. And then from there, hold this in place. Tighten our lock nut. And from here, we start making our adjustments starting at the bottom. Now up top, I got a whole lot of movement. That's expected. Go down here, start threading this out. See, it's tensioning the cable there. Go a little at a time, keep coming back and checking it. So that's a little bit better. So that's real close there. Real quick. A little bit more in there. We'll tighten that up in a minute. Back up top. Just about the right amount, but I'm going to thread this out just a hair. That's too tight. Still too tight. Alright, that's right about where I like it. Tighten that down, we'll tighten the bottom, this thing's good to go. Clutch feels good. Hopefully you guys found that helpful.